Hello lovely YouTube family and welcome to another highly informative video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 of the best ways you can actually make money online. And this video is not just going to be like every other type of videos out there online, but then it's going to be a video that is going to be so much realistic. But before we get into today's video, probably I am KidCast, and on this channel, I do upload highly informative videos on money, business, artificial intelligence, and also skills development. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also share with your friends and family members. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get into today's video. The number one way on the list is by teaching something, okay? By teaching a topic. Trust me, both you and I have certain things that we are good in, or certain things that we have passion for, something that you just naturally good in, and you feel, it's quite normal or it's nothing serious. But trust me, there are a whole lot of people out there that are actually looking for ways to learn that particular thing. All you have to do is to tell people, tell the world that, hi, I can actually teach you this thing, and you'll be surprised by the amount of people that will be interested in that thing, no matter how simple it might seem. I've seen a whole lot of people looking for how to, just unscrew a particular screw pattern, something that you can actually just use a screwdriver. But then there are millions of people out there who don't know how to do this. Now, both you and I have certain things within us that we are actually good in. You don't even need to be an expert in that thing. You can just be a basic person in that particular topic. But then there are a whole lot of people out there who wants to learn this thing. All you simply have to do is to sit down, have a moment all by yourself, think about that thing that you like to teach people, something that you know you're really good in, or something that you feel, oh, I really understand the basic about this thing, I can actually teach it. And now once you've actually gotten that particular thing, all you have to do is to create your own class or create a particular WhatsApp group or Facebook group, and then you tell people that, oh, okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this thing, and then you just want to, drop a price list or drop a price tag on that particular skill you're going to be teaching them. Now, all you have to do after you've actually gotten that is to simply create a design template, all right? You can use Canva to do this. Just create a cover page and then write on it the price tag. Right, you want to list down all what you're going to be teaching people in that particular class, and the class can just last for 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, whatever amount of days you feel you can actually teach people. Okay, now after you've done that, all you have to do is to create a video, or there's no crime in actually studying something and teaching it at the same time. You can decide to be learning something and also be the teacher in that particular class. There is no crime to that. All right, now all you have to do is to simply create a Facebook group or even a WhatsApp group, and then once people make their payment, you simply want to add them to that group. It's that easy. But then you want to ensure that you're actually going to teach them that particular thing they paid for. All right, you need to exchange that value. They give you the money, but then you have to give them what they actually paid for. Now, moving to the second thing on the list is gonna be through rendering services. All right. When I mean rendering services, I mean you using a particular skill and then helping people to solve certain problems based on that skill. Now, moving to the second thing on the list is by rendering services. When I mean rendering services, I simply mean you learning a particular skill or using a skill you're already good in, or a skill you have the basic knowledge about to solve certain problems. All right. Now, there's something that no matter what, you're always getting paid for, and that is by solving people's problems. We have a whole lot of people that are struggling to, edit videos, a whole lot of people that are struggling to have a logo for their businesses. Why not you just go learn how to create those logos or how to edit those videos, and then you start rendering services to make money online. This is another special way you can actually make several amount of money online. And one of the most important things is you don't just want to make money online, but then you want to go to certain places where people actually value that particular skill. All right, you want to go to places where people actually value that particular skill, people know the importance of that particular skill, and then you want to render the service over there. And now the third and the final thing on the list is by starting an online business. When I mean online business, it actually falls in several fields. It could be by rendering a service, it could be through trading, it could be by selling a particular gadget, selling and buying. It could be by selling things that I already have at home, things that I don't really need, but then I just decide to sell it out. For example, I might decide I don't need this mouse and then I just want to sell it. It's part of the online business. So then you want to look at something within your capacity, something within your budget. And if you're someone who doesn't have a particular money to spend, then you can go for businesses that don't require a huge sum to start. In fact, there are businesses out there that don't even require a dime to start. And that brings us to the part of the skills, all right? When you talk about video editing, so far you have your software, you can actually edit the video to what the customer actually likes, and then you get paid for it. But then, if you're someone who actually is interested in buying and selling, you can decide to, buy a particular item, buy very few of that item, and then you want to, sell it. But then, before you go into such type of businesses, you want to do your market research. Is this something people around me are really interested in? Is this something people are ready to buy? Is this something that is solving a problem? These are questions you actually need to put in place before you start certain type of businesses, all right? You don't just want to hop into something because you feel, okay, it's actually looking very nice and things like that. You want to examine your environment. You want to examine people around you. Is this something they're actually looking for? If it's something they're looking for, then hop into it. Trust me, you need to hop into it. If it's something that's going to solve their problems, you need to hop into it. And now guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a whole lot from today's video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, feel free to drop a comment down below. I am always ready to answer my lovely clients, my lovely subscribers, my lovely viewers questions. So yeah, please feel free to drop down a question. If you have issues or you're not sure how to go about several things, feel free to drop them down in the comment section. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.